Manufacturing is entering a new phase, driven by data, automation, and intelligence. In 2024, the global smart factory market was valued at $210 billion United States dollars. By 2033, it's projected to reach $452 billion United States dollars, growing at a CAGR of 8.8%. This surge reflects how AI, IoT, and cloud technologies are connecting every part of production, from machines on the floor to decisions in the boardroom. Industrial robots, now holding 35% of the market, along with distributed control systems, are improving precision, speed, and flexibility across industries. In automotive, electronics, and pharmaceuticals, smart factories are cutting costs, enhancing quality, and accelerating output. The Asia-Pacific region, with over 45% market share, leads global adoption, powered by rapid industrialization and digital transformation. Major players like Siemens, ABB, Mitsubishi Electric, and Schneider Electric are at the forefront, building connected, adaptive, and efficient production systems. The smart factory isn't just changing manufacturing, it's shaping the way the world makes everything.